I really hope that as you leave today, your cup overflows. There is room for you. You are needed here.
So welcome to Refresh. Black women, I want you to own your craft. We have to know our stuff. So do the work. And I want you all to prioritize competency over confidence. Prioritize capability over conviction. Prioritize impact over influence. Prioritize service over status.
As you can see, our theme is refresh, inspire, and affirm. When I thought of refresh, I didn't want another tech conference. I really wanted to be intentional about the need, what was missing. Whether it was yoga, we have wellness recovery sessions with a chiropractor that will be happening in the small rooms, amazing panels and fireside chats. The workshops are very intentional to be tangibles. We have engineers, we have CISOs in the room. They have been developing frameworks, things that you can take and then apply back to your organizations almost immediately, or at the very least have some idea of where you start. I know tech conferences can be very overwhelming with like all this high level information and you don't really know what to do with it. And we wanted to make sure that that was not the case here.
Walk in grace and take up space, Black women.
Go ahead, it's your time, baby. It's your time, baby. Get my baby. That's the difference when you're my baby. That's how it is when you